Hi friends, we have come to boat store. This is my first experience here. Wow. I would like to share you, we are planning to buy a boat. I like this one. Yeah, this is very nice. My husband going to another store. I am taking rest here. You know, I have always seen people buy a boat for living back in India. But here in the US, this is about luxury. I am enjoying my time in the boat store. Really, I am extremely happy to be here. Yeah, this one is very nice. Yeah, I like this one. So let's see what my husband decide on buying. Okay friends, let me know my choice is good or bad. I will see you all in my next video. Take care and keep smile. Bye bye.